Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mayur Zadav. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your broken videos or corrupted videos which you are not able to open on your computer. So there could be various reasons behind it, like if your camera switches off during recording, or you have video files which were recorded from corrupted devices. So you may encounter this problem. So there are many applications as well for this kind of problem, but they are all paid, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem for absolutely free. So before starting video guys, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and without wasting time guys, let's get started. So first of all guys, you have to download two files from the link given in the description. So download those files. One is called FFmpeg and other one is called recover mp4. So then you need to extract those files like I'm doing here. Do the same for another file as well. Then select all files except the FFmpeg and cut them, and then open FFmpeg, then bin and paste here. Now here we have two videos guys. Remember guys, you will require one working file along with the broken file. Means the working file should be recorded on the same camera with the broken file. Here we have one broken video and working video. Let's rename these files as broken and working. Now copy these two files into the same bin folder in which we have copied the other files earlier. Here we have working and broken videos, you see. Now guys, go to the start and search command prompt. Then right click on it and choose run as administrator. Now you have to copy the work directory from here. Then type cd space /d and paste the work directory here, and then hit enter. Type dir, then again hit enter. Then here type recover _mp4.exe, and here we are going to analyze the working file so that it can find that missing data which broken file is missing. So for analyzing working file, let's type here working.mp4. Now remember guys, here you first have to check in what format our video is recorded. So mine was in mp4, so that's why I have written here .mp4, and then minus analyze, and then hit enter. It will start analyzing, and it can take some time according to how big is your video. Once done, you have to copy these 4 lines, like from now to here. Look carefully, these 4 lines, copy them and save somewhere like in sticky notes or notepad. I'm gonna save it in notepad. Let's paste here. Now again type in recover _mp4.exe space. Now this time we have to choose the file which is broken or corrupted. Let's type in broken.mp4, the corrupted file which we renamed as broken. And now open notepad and copy this line. Look carefully, and then paste it here, and then hit enter again. Then again open notepad, and this time copy this last line and paste it again here, and then hit enter, and it's done. You will see a new file name as a result in your bin folder, and that's our corrupted video which is now opening without any problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We will meet in the next video guys. Thank you so much.